Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com, and hard as it is to believe, we are already in October, which means it is time for a Halloween build. And this year, I'm going to be doing the Devil Z from the manga Wangan Midnight, a car that has been overpowered to 600 horsepower, and is said to be almost supernaturally fast with a body count in its wake. So, seemed like a very appropriate build for this book and comic themed build year. Taking a look, this is the Fujimi kit. Got some nice artwork here on the front of the box, as well as the title there. Got that repeated on the side of the box, both ends, and over here, a couple other images from the manga, as well as the various warnings and cautions and notes. Taking a look inside the box, we have, first up, nice portrait of the two poster children for the series, the Devil Z and the Blackbird. Both are available as Fujimi kits. We've got decal sheet, which on this side is the stock Fair Lady Z that Fujimi includes with all of their kits. And over here, we have a specific to the Devil Z. That's nice that they did include that as a second sheet so that you can get it accurate. Got a chrome parts tree here, which has light buckets, the valve cover, and some other little details right in there. We've got the glass sprue, which has the main windows, all of the lenses, as well as the light covers, which those will not be used in this build of the kit, and a set of optional side windows. We've got the first parts tree here, which has the radiator, the rear axle, some nicely detailed straight six engine, though it's not really going to be terribly useful in this particular build. I'll get to that in a minute. Got the bumpers, rear spoiler, you got the rest of the engine bits and the exhaust. So we've got the main interior bucket here, as well as the door panels, the suspension bits, side view mirrors. You got a set of stock wheels that won't be used in this kit, as well as the racing wheels that will be. And some interior bits there, and over here, both left and right sweeping windshield wipers. Got some exhaust parts down here. Another set of side view mirrors. We've got the front apron here with the intercooler cast into it. And a set of 4 fender flares. Got optional left or right hand drive dashboards. You got the stock seats, the chassis, suspension components, and the rest of the interior bits. Yeah. Bag of tires here, which are narrow and wider, as well as the poly caps for mounting them on the axles. And then last piece is you've got the body molded in a nice dark blue. And as you can see, the hood is molded shut, which makes all of that nice detailed engine kind of completely useless here. But on this particular build, I'm not going to bother opening it because the engine is not correct for the Devil Z. It's just the stock Fair Lady engine. So instead of going through the trouble of correcting that, opening the hood, adding the details, I'm just going to build this box stock. Especially after the Misery Machine build, I'd kind of like something that's a little low impact. So I'm just going to focus on getting this as a nice clean build. And as you can see, they did nice work casting it. Not really a whole lot of fine detail work beyond some stuff like the cowl vent there. But lines are pretty good. No real separation lines that need to be taken care of. Everything is complete. So there we go. That is my Halloween 2019 build, the Devil Z from Wangan Midnight. Check back next week for an update on this, and thanks for watching.